This is the FFR Trading Market Minute, and again, this is the SPY. We follow week to week as an overall proxy for the U.S. stock market here, and it's been a pretty wild week with a Fed meeting. But just kind of go back here. We mentioned last week that the RSI had crossed back below its moving average here and then crossed back up on this day here. And we said that would be a trigger to the long side if they take out. This was last Monday's high, which they did on Tuesday, and you can see the market exploded higher, and it hit our upside target there on Monday of this week. All right, here's the Fed announcement here, and you can see that initial move, which was a down move, was not the true move, which is very typical on the Fed on Fed day. The bulls were able to push things all the way back up here, and then we had a little gap up this morning. We've made much higher highs than where we're trading at currently. We certainly had pulled back as well, but we're not able to fill the gap. All right, so bulls still in control there. But what I'm seeing, so that upside target was hit. Okay, that was at 660 level. What I think is going to happen now is I think we might see some exhaustion coming in here. And I say that because we've got some divergence that's setting in. So you can see the RSI peaked here. Okay, we went on to make a higher high this morning, but you see the RSI is not following. So we could get a good size rally this afternoon and close back up here, which may push the RSI back up and kind of avoid that. But right now, it looks like the bulls may be losing some steam up here. And if that's the case, then we should expect some type of pullback. And, our levels here, we've got the simple moving average, and you also have a small gap left to fill back here at kind of that same level right now. Okay, so just be careful to the upside. I think the bulls may be getting a little exhausted unless we make a nice rally into the close and they close near the highs or maybe even push a higher high today. I think we'll have that divergence setting up heading into Friday and next week. Economic data set for next week. Tuesday kicks off with the S&P Global Manufacturing PMI and Services PMI. Thursday's GDP, and Friday we've got the core PCE. Hope that helps. Have a great rest of your trading week. We'll see you back next week in the FFR Trading Market Minute.